Simply use your fingerprint to lock the bike. A strong wheel lock deploys automatically, out of reach from bolt cutters. No more carrying bulky chains around. An intelligent motion detector activates when the bike is parked. It sounds an alarm and notifies you when someone tries to move your Revo. But we didn't stop there. An integrated GPS also anchors the bike to its parking spot and lets you track its location in real time. Your Revo is yours and yours alone. The interplay between light and shadow is a key pillar of our design philosophy. Our designers worked hard to make Revo a piece of art that looks as amazing at night as it does during the day. And we've also equipped Revo with the technology to get you around safely at night, with automatic LED headlamps, integrated brake lights and blinking turn signals. So, commute in style with Revo. The Hubless e-bike that's wonderfully engineered to make every ride exceptional. It's time to upgrade your ride. Revo is now ready for mass production. We need your help to achieve our minimum order quantities and deliver Revo into your hands. This is everything you need in an e-bike. This is 5 years of development, hard work and love in a single elegant package that we're proud to introduce to you today. This is Revo.